today's video I'll be showing you how to use P2P, that is peer-to-peer deposit on Deriv.com. The nice thing that Deriv has introduced as a means of withdrawing and depositing cash from your friends or from your peers. And to use the P2P, just click on the cashier option. Down here you can see I have P2P. I select P2P. Then you can see I have buy or sell, orders, my ads, and my profile. For you to deposit money into your account, you need to buy from other people, and I can demonstrate that. Let's see I'm gonna purchase from someone. Then you can see the completion rates down here, so you can know the time that's gonna take to process your request, and also the charges, the rate at which you'll be exchanging that money from your country's currency to USD, and also the minimum amount that you can buy and the maximum amount. For this video I'll be choosing $1 to let's take this one, 254 exchange rate. For a minimum amount is $1 to $1,000, and the exchange rate is 1. Let's buy. I want $1.5. You can see on the right side they have indicated the amount that I'm supposed to send to this person. Then I can confirm. Then there's the time. That is 2 hours. The transaction is to happen within 2 hours. Then you can also chat with the person you're buying from. Hello, you can just text him. Then on the other side you can see the instructions, the number you are supposed to send the money to. Then you can maybe call him or text him so that he can complete the transaction. I'm gonna set the money. I'm going to send the money, then see what happens. You can see he has replied to my text. I want to deposit $1.5. $1.5. Meanwhile, I can be making the transaction on my side so that he can release the money. After sending the money, you can say that you can click on I have paid, then tick the box I have paid 170 to the other person. Then we can text him, I have sent the money. Then we can wait for the money to be released in just a few minutes. You can see my account balance now is 5.15 and it was 3.65. It's that easy. That's how you deposit money on using P2P. Then on my orders, that's where you see the orders that you have, the active orders and past orders. That's your history. Then my ads. If you create an ad, this means that maybe you can create an ad to buy USD or sell USD. That means if you create an ad for buying, that means you want to deposit money into your account. And if it's a sell USD, that means that you want other people to buy from you. So that means that you'll be withdrawing money from your account. My ads, we can try and make a let's create an ad. Let's create a sell order. The total amount, let's say it's 5.15. Then fixed rate of exchange to be 113.50. Then the minimum to be 1 USD. Then the maximum to be 5 USD. And let's say 4. Then my payment details. I can put my phone number. Then you can say down here some more instructions. No. That's my Mpesa. Say Mpesa number. Then my account details. Then we have more instructions. For more instructions, we can say text me after sending the money. After sending the money. Then for my account details, we can say my number again, 07 through Mpesa number. Then I can post. Then that's an active order. Then I'll just wait for, if anyone is interested, I'll send him the money. Then my profile, you can see the total number of orders that I've done. That was my second order. Then yeah, that's all. Then there are some settings, the name that you want to be displayed on other people's accounts.